Hello, friends. Let's learn our shapes together. This is a circle. A circle is round. Can you say circle? Circle. This is a square. A square has 4 sides. Say square. Square. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Say triangle. Triangle. This is a rectangle. It's like a square, but longer. Say rectangle. Rectangle. This is an oval. It looks like a stretched circle. Say oval. Oval. This is a heart. A heart means love. Say heart. Heart. This is a diamond. A diamond has 4 corners. Say diamond. Diamond. This is a star. Stars shine bright in the sky. Say star. Star. This is a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Say hexagon. Hexagon. Now you know your shapes. See you some other time.